Good morning. Frozen Ice Productions here with a little day in the life, I call it. Some people like calling it a vlog. I like calling it a day in the life. Just waking up, no shower, look like shit. But we got some action here. Got some market action. As you guys can see by right here, we're from 5 to now it's hitting 10, so 100% in like a couple weeks, a week, and that qualifies it for a short. Let's just get into the last couple days here. So I made money on it right here on this day, banked, and I lost like 70 bucks here, and then I made 100 bucks yesterday, and then it came all the way back. As you can see, it came all the way back, went down, and then ripped all the way back. So it's given a nice opportunity. We'll see what it offers today. You guys will be first-hand encounters of that. It's starting to flip the float, so some you got to eye in on. And as you can see here, it went from the 0.8s to the 1.9s BWV. So if this thing can break 1.9 in regular hours trading in about 20 minutes, then it would be good for a long, a good buy above that 1.9. I'll be looking for that here. And then another one I wanted to show you guys is WIZA. So WIZA 1.4 to 2.4 already faded down quite a bit. Looking for this one. Looking for this one to shoot up. Might be a good short, but I want it to go higher here. And then one other one I want to show you guys, Wet G. So Wet G gapped up there, went sideways, just totally sideways, and at 8, and then now we're pushing to 16. So I should probably look for some shares of short of Wet G, because Wet G, they got a launched a large scale language processing. Let's see. Today announced that the company has launched a large scale language model generated by artificial intelligence. So another AI play based on language. Wet G. This is what happens when AI hits the market. 8 to 16. 100%. Let's see if the shares, the short, are available. So what this is a request for shares to short. If you want to short a stock, you have to request, and it's saying for $1,000, we want to charge $2 of commission for you to get the shares to short. So, and that's of Wet G. I might just do it here. Only $2. I think I can make $2 off it. We'll see. You go potty, boy. You go pee pee poo poo. Come on, let's go potty. Come on, let's go. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Before market open. Right before market open. Yes. Good boy. Good pee-pee. Good boy. Yes. We go trade now? You ready for market? Huh? You ready? Beautiful out here today. Just beautiful. Stay. Stay. Pickle! Shelby. Hey, hey, hey. Market open. Market open. How's it going? So Wet G was a stock that went from 8 to 22. Somehow I pressed borrow shares to short, and I had $1,000 worth of stock, 100 shares to short of Wet G. And I didn't know. I must have just accidentally hit it. It was like $8, so that's gonna take out for my profits on the day. So I'm up like 63 minus 8, which is about 55. So I'm up like 55, $60 on the day. About an hour in, gonna trade for another 40 minutes until 11 o'clock Eastern. And looking like the morning's already over. I'll show you Wet G, what happened to Wet G. SOFI. SOFI. Very good. Very good stock here. Very good movement. Squeezed up to from the 9.7s to the 10.3s, 10.2s, and faded back down to right where it was. I took a short, about 10.3s, 10.03s, and covered down in the low 9.8s here on this move right here. So cover started here, entered here. I did take a first starter into this and just covered for break even and all this. So the starter wasn't so good. I guess I could have been a little more better on this one. Only got $30 from it. Yeah, I would say I botched it this morning. Could have had a way bigger trade, but locked in $30. And then next we have Next, which went from the 5s to the 7s now, and easy to borrow. So I actually shorted 7.55 or 7. Let's see. So I shorted the 7.2s, which was pretty damn perfect. On Next, I shorted 7.2, or 7.72, which is right here. I shorted on this this breakdown and then the little perk back up 7.2, and ever since I entered, I was getting paid when I entered there pretty much right away, and I covered in the 7.3, 7.2s, which was this first little drop here. I shorted 7.2s, covered 7.2, 7.3s, which is right here, and I missed this another leg down. Could have been another 60 or another $30, but I locked in $30 on this one. So overall on the day, I'll show you guys here. I'm up on the day. So that's the day there. Next in SOFI, $33, and then $30 on SOFI, $33 on Next. And I did borrow shares to short in the morning of Wet G. So as you can see here, Wet G went from about 8s and started bidding up to the 22s very fast within the last hour of the pre-market this morning. And for some reason, I don't know how, but I had shares of short, and this thing was getting halted left and right. Like every single 1 minute candle was literally a halt. Like halted, halted, Open for these 2 minutes, halted, open, halted, halted, open. So it's very tough to trade something that halts and opens like that. I wish I didn't spend $8 on it. I fucked up and pressed the borrow share button instead of cancel, I guess, but fucking you live and you learn. SOFI just went up again and came right back down. Probably another beautiful entry I'd missed trying to make a fucking video. But it's what happens, I guess. Perfect entry in the above 10 there. 10 shoved down. Now it's in the 9/8, so I think we're going to head lower here midday. Maybe tomorrow it might offer a good morning panic, or the day after. I'll be watching for SOFI. A lot of traders are on SOFI, so I wouldn't surprise a squeeze out. Gosh, Next is just crushing, dude. I shorted perfect, and I should have kept my shares, honestly. Should have kept my shares of this one. I only locked in like, what, 5% winner? A couple percent. Could have locked in 10, 5, 7 to 10% on this one. I could have, but locked in 3 to 5, which is alright, I guess. Let's look up the SPY. The SPY currently is ripping with the interest rate decision coming today in a couple hours. Last week we've ripped. I expect a huge pullback in the market after this interest rate decision. I mean, huge ramp. If we pause, we're gonna get a slowdown in the markets, I believe, because this is gnarly. Just look at this, from 380s to 440s now. Just an insane rip. We're in a bull market, but we just entered it. So be careful on your decisions. Longs aren't really working out too well still. Cashy. Cash, wake up. Cash. Oh, good boy. Good boy. You want some breakfast? Oh, you want breakfast, boy? You want some breakfast? Yes. Oh, pretty boy. Let's go. Come on, let's get breakfast. Come on. Go. Good boy. No, sit. Good boy, stay. Stay, boy. He's a good boy. Stay. Stay. Thugging with them rounds. Oh, sit. Lay down. Yay! Such a good boy. Alright.